Last time a TP opened the channel. This time, a different chemical signal acid. When tissue runs short of oxygen, whether from inflammation, injury, or a stroke, it turns acidic. And a family of channels tastes that acid directly. ASIC, acid-sensing ion channels. Its story runs from chronic pain all the way to stroke and fear, and its most promising drugs come from Venom. First, what it is. ASIC is a family of acid-sensing cation channels sitting on neurons. When the acidity outside suddenly rises and the pH drops, it opens, lets sodium pour in, and the nerve fires. The star is ASIC1A, mainly in the brain and pain pathways. Why does it matter? Because turning acidic is a nearly universal signal of injury ischemia, inflammation, tumors all acidify locally. ASIC is the probe that catches that signal, and it meets three fronts at once. First, pain. The acid in inflamed, injured tissue ignites pain directly through ASIC. Second, stroke. During brain ischemia, the tissue sharply acidifies, and the calcium ASIC1 lets in kills neurons with its own hand. In animal models, blocking it protects the brain. Third, fear. ASIC1 in the amygdala senses carbon dioxide and acid, tied to panic and fear. One channel holding pain, stroke, and emotion together. But to make a drug, the trap is here too. Selectivity. ASIC is a big family 1A, 1B2, 3 with overlapping roles across brain and body. The old drug amyloid blocks it, but it's dirty, blocking sodium channels and transporters too. A blocker that enters the brain picks only ASIC1A and stays safe is very hard. And shutting down acid sensing entirely could harm its protective side. The way through came from Venom. Nature had already built selective drugs. A peptide from tarantula venom, PCTX1, blocks ASIC1A specifically, and mambalgin from black-mamba venom blocks ASIC and produces strong pain relief in animals without the opioid baggage. Venom peptides are becoming the lead scaffolds for non-opioid analgesia and brain protection. This line is still at the preclinical frontier, but it's the most fascinating piece of a next-generation target. And testing this class has concrete difficulties. ASIC opens on acid. You must run fast solution exchange, drop the pH abruptly, and record that fast, quickly desensitizing transient current. Run a subtype selectivity panel to separate 1A, 1B3. Then test Venom peptides as blockers. Whoever can run clean acid jump electrophysiology together with Venom peptide screening holds this frontier of brain protection and non-opioid pain relief. Recap. ASIC is an acid-sensing cation channel, ASIC1 especially in the brain and pain, turning the universal injury signal of acidity into electricity. It holds pain, stroke, and fear at once. Blocking it hard has a selectivity trap, and the leads come from tarantula and black-mamba venom peptides. Test it with fast acid jump exchange plus a subtype selectivity panel. Next time, the season finale ATP, the channel that senses the cell's energy, the target of the oldest diabetes drugs, and a precision medicine miracle where babies threw away insulin. Follow Channel Observatory, one channel at a time.